That's a little bit of Take 5 by Dave Brubeck. John Bolding, Banjophobic, gave us an intro a few weeks ago on his Lick of the Week to Take 5. Played a little bit for us there, and I thought it would be fun to analyze the tune a little bit, break it down, kind of just show some possibilities and some things that kind of apply from a theoretical standpoint, from a scalar standpoint, from a harmonic standpoint, and hopefully just break it down a little bit, and for those who are interested, do a little analysis on it. The key is E flat minor, or for those of you who have learned the Circle of Fifths, you would know that that's also G flat major. And one of your big questions would be, do I really have to play this thing in G flat? Can't we just slide it up into G and E minor? And the answer is yes, you can do it that way. But this is a fun way to get to know another key, really cement it into your playing and see it on the fingerboard. So we'll do it in E flat minor, G flat major. We'll break it down into basically the groove, which you can play to comp along with it, and the melody. And then at the end, I'll hopefully give you a little toolbox for some ideas, sounds, scalar sounds that apply to this tune, and that you can use. Not all possibilities, but just a few that'll challenge you a little bit, I hope. Certainly challenges me. So here's the basic groove. It's in 5/4, take 5, 5/4, and the metronome I'm using has a click on 1, so you'll be able to hear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 through the comping process. Basically, what I'm playing is just E flat minor, and then the bass line, which is E flat, E flat, E flat, and this is the A part. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's other places you can play it, but for simplicity, we'll just keep that for now. My metronome's set at 140 as the click. It feels more like half of that to me, 70, because the melody is in eighth notes. So for us bluegrassers, we're always wanting to play it, think in double time. But for 5/4, 140 on the metronome works. Here's the melody to the A section. Basically, what I just played is the harmony for the A section, and the melody for the A section is just kind of fun, E flat minor bluesy kind of, and kind of fun. This is the way I play it, but other people play it in different parts of the fingerboard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the melody for the A part. The B part, this tune's constructed in kind of an A-B-A kind of a format. You play the A part, then you play the B part, then you play the A part again, and then there's a little vamp section in the middle, and then you start the whole thing all over again, and that form continues while all the soloists play over the changes. The B part starts to really sound like the key of G flat major, it starts on the 4 chord, G flat major. Let's just review what those what the harmonic sounds are in G flat major, thinking of them in the chordal ideas of G flat major, not cheating, and you see what I mean. The first chord of the B part is what we would all think of as B major 7, but in the key of G flat we call it a C flat major 7. So you've got, I'll play through the changes for the B part one time, and then we'll talk about it. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. So the changes are, here's our key center, which basically the rock and rollers will, that's just basically the 6, 5, and 4 of the key of G flat major. So that's a C flat major 7, A flat, which is the 2 of the key, B flat minor 7, which is the 3 of the key, E flat minor 7, 6 of the key, 2, A flat minor 7, G flat minor 7, which is the 5 of the key, to G flat major 7. I turn it into a dominant. Some people want to lead back up to the 4 chord. Now the interesting little sound at the end of this is we do a 2-5 back into E flat minor. It has a unique harmonic sound. F minor 7, B flat 7 leads us back into our E flat minor. So those are the changes, and again I'll play through them for you a couple of times here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there you go. I'm going to try to squeeze the melody in here in this first 10-minute section. So here's the melody to the B part. Follows chordal tones just beautifully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Etc. So in the next section we'll talk about the harmony a little more, and we'll look at playing the solo through all 3 sections, and then maybe start to explore a few soloing ideas.